I'm doing a quick video on how to change the terminal for the battery, and as you can see, there's one. Looking at it, I wish to change it because it looks somehow old, and also some of the parts are broken, and that is what I'm going to use to change for the positive terminal. So what you have to do is turn off the car should be off automatically, and then disconnect the negative terminal, and then disconnect the positive terminal, and then remove this particular nut out, and then replace it with this new one. So we'll be using a 10mm spinner, or is it a wrench, and then take this one off. At least it's safer to take the negative first, so in case there's any short, this being the ground, it wouldn't affect the electronics of the car. Okay, that is taken care of now. Put it away from. Alright, so pull it off. Since it's hard to get it off, we use this thing. We use a screwdriver to forcefully pull it up. Okay. Let's put in the new one and see if it fits. Alright, that is the exact match. As you can see, it goes in properly. Okay. Just to give ourselves some leverage, would unscrew this. Okay. And that is our old one. And we'll be replacing it with the new one now. There is a bolt back. Okay, now we're going to put it back now. Tighten it. still needs. So now that it's properly seated, we can then tighten it up. And don't forget to also tighten the top one. Now we put back our negative to it. And then tighten it also.